Hello, good afternoon and welcome to the 10 News. My name is Hary and I will be accompanying you 3 minutes forward. Our news today is about the motorcycle thief. Viewers, one motorcyclist belonging to a resident who was parked in a house in a densely populated village area was stolen in less than 3 minutes. The theft was recorded on a monitoring camera or CCTV.
This is the recording of the seconds recorded by two monitoring camera or CCTV located at the victim's house and on the corner of the village road. In the CCTV footage, it can be seen that the perpetrator started the theft and arrived at Jalan Karangkawu, Limbing District, Surabaya City. One perpetrator appeared to come disguised as a busker, coming from the south of the victim house. This thief appeared to be making observation in advance in a densely populated village area. This thief immediately entered the house. The theft lasted for 3 minutes. Not half-hearted, one motorbike type Matic was taken away by the thief. The perpetrators immediately took away the motorbike.
Nastiti, can you explain the chronology of the incident of the motorbike death?
So at 1347, the perpetrators saw the situation around the village. Then at 1355, they stayed in front of the house. Then they started the execution at 1355 for more than a few seconds.
Miss Leah, can you explain the characteristic of the stolen motorcycle?
One unit of black Matic Vario motorbike with 125 cc.
The theft has been reported to Surabaya police. The victim hoped the perpetrators will get caught soon because this incident troubling the victim and the local residents. I'm Nastiti Hayuning Swasono from 10 News Surabaya East Java.